The RADIUS protocol, a cornerstone of enterprise network authentication since 1991, carries a critical vulnerability. CVE 2024-3596, known as Blast Radius, allows a man-in-the-middle attacker to forge authentication approvals without knowing user credentials. The flaw exploits MD5 chosen prefix collision techniques that can be executed in minutes on modern hardware. The attack targets the Response Authenticator, a 16-byte field in Radius responses computed using MD5. This field was never a proper message authentication code and is vulnerable to chosen prefix collision attacks. The immediate mitigation is to enforce the Message Authenticator attribute, which provides an HMAC MD5 integrity check that binds the integrity check to the shared secret in a way that prevents forgery. 3 rules matter. First, the reject to accept rule. The attack forges the server's response, not credentials, so strong passwords do not protect you. Second, VLAN is not enough. Network segmentation reduces attack surface, but must be combined with message authenticator enforcement to provide genuine protection. Third, EAP TLS with proper certificate validation is immune to blast radius and is the recommended gold standard for enterprise Wi-Fi authentication. Read the full guide at purple.ai.